House of prayer. Jesus cleanses the temple, a holy place, drowned by clamor and coins. Eyes fixed, he steps into the disorder. My house shall be called a house of prayer. He grips the edge and shatters the comfort of corruption. Tables crash, silver scatters like startled birds. Cages rattle, the doves blink at sudden freedom. Silence falls where shouting used to reign. He invites the people back to what the place was made for. A sacred hush takes root where greed had grown. My house shall be called a house of prayer. Matthew 21:13. The doors stand open, and the people come to pray. A final stillness, a house restored to prayer.